All right, so this one says, which equation could be solved using this application of the quadratic formula? So remember that these numbers are based on the formula being x equals, can somebody help me finish the formula? X equals what? X equals, well, yeah, but I'm going to start with the formula first. Negative b. Negative b, what? Plus or minus square root sign. What else? B squared. Yeah, you could say minus 4, subtract 4, or negative 4. AC. All over 2a. Now, I heard somebody blurt out, well, we need ax squared plus bx plus c, but there's one crucial part to that. What's this equal? 0. Notice that in our options, none of them are set equal to 0. So that's going to come into play later. But what is my a value? Looking at this information here, what is the value of a? 1. What is the value of b? 3. What is the value of c? 24. So that means I have 1x squared plus 3x plus 24 equals 0. Are those any of my options up here? No. So I have to find one that's kind of close to that. I think it's A. And here's why I think it's A. If I say x squared plus 6x plus 24 equals 3x, when I solve that, this is the same as A, right? I'm just writing it down here. If I wanted to set that equal to 0, what do I need to do? I'm going to have to move this negative, or this, so what I had to do. I'm going to have to move the 3x to the other side. How do I do that? I got to subtract 3x. Whatever I do to one side, I got to do to the other. Guess what I get? X squared plus 3x plus 24, and what's it equal? 0. So we'll bam with the bacon sizzle. That's the right answer. Any questions on that? Okay, good. We are cooking with gas.